Hello, all. So with my poster, I said, let's get moving. And it's all about movement in the classroom. And this is something that um, I kind of really wanted to portray more next year. So it's something I thought would be cool to do some research on. So basically, in my poster, you can find, why it's important. And it's not just important because, a lot of teachers, oh, well, it gets the kids less stressed or it just, makes them feel better. But it does have some actual cognitive benefits like in your brain. So that's where we have a why is important. In my prove it section, I have actual research done that can prove that it actually had benefits to standardized tests as such as math and reading. Um, I kind of also talked about 8 ways to get moving. It's really easy. There's many more I could have talked about. Just alternative seating, things they can be on a ball or a low chair so they're fidgeting. Or I always kind of take my class on a walk. We have sometimes we go just on a walk in the morning, trying to get our brains moving, morning motion, some stretching. Fitness Friday, we actually at my school, we do a fitness Monday, and it's really cool. The teachers get to wear leggings, and we get to wear workout clothes, and it's really fun for the students. And I'll, be like, okay, when we're rotating to science, everyone do 5 jumping jacks, and they just think it's a blast. Um, and then brain breaks, I could go into a million things about brain breaks. And just really things to get our kids moving. And in my conclusion, I just had movement in the classroom is both beneficial for the mind and body. As teachers, it's important to get our students up and moving throughout the day. You as a teacher will see a lot of improvements during this, and your kids will just love it as they love moving. So yeah, that is my poster, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.